Oh, hi there, kids.
What are you looking at?
Can you see it?
The lake? Yes.
No, look a little closer.
It's Big Fish. He's ginormous.
And Sneezy?
Gesundheit!
Is he sick?
Yes, he doesn't seem to be jumping as high as he normally does. He needs to see an animal doctor as soon as possible, and that doctor is me.
Can't you just give him a checkup now?
Not exactly. All the equipment I use to help sick critters is back at the animal park, and much too big to bring out here.
Well, if we can't move the animal park to Big Fish, we need to move Big Fish to the animal park.
Great idea, Rusty. But remember, fish are very delicate and need a lot of water.
What if we use my trailer? We just need to make it a little more fish-friendly. Time to bring in Big Fish to find out what's wrong with him. Hold on.
Come on, Big Fish. You can make it.
Big Fish should jump into our trailer in 3, 2, 1.
Looks like you landed a big one.
Good job, little worm. Is Big Fish going to be okay now, Anna?
Of course. Before you know it, he'll be jumping as high as ever.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.